Hi everyone, this is Kevin Davey, and welcome to the latest video, Lesson 9, Using the Help File for Easy Language for the Strategy Factory. So in this video, we're going to take a break from building our strategy, and we're going to talk about the help files that are available in TradeStation, because I think these are important for you to be able to access and use and understand. Okay, so there's basically two major help files in TradeStation. There's one for the platform itself, and there's one for the easy language development. So to get to the main one for the platform, you just go under Help and you type it. You select TradeStation Platform Help. And what comes up is a window, which I'll try to rescale for you, that basically gives you a whole bunch of topics. It has a search function, an index function. It will give you a lot of details on the platform. So if you have questions, that's a good place to look to kind of get some answers. I use this one a little bit. The one that I find much more interesting and much more useful is the development help file. And for that one, you go to the development environment and go under help, and then you'll get this sort of result. And again, it has an index, a search function, talks a lot about how to use things, and it also has all the reserved words in TradeStation. So if you ever get syntax wrong and that kind of thing, you can use that. You can use it to figure out what's going on. It's pretty helpful. So let's just say you wanted to look for set profit target. You could just start typing it in, and lo and behold, there it comes up. You can click on it and learn all about set profit target. Okay, and you can do that with pretty much any of the keywords. So that way you'll always know that you're using the keywords correctly. Okay, so again, there's two help files, one in the development network, one that's right here, and one that's with the platform. They both can be really useful to you. So as long as you know how to use those help files, how to access them, then you can consider this video as a success, and you can move on to the next video. Okay, so comments, please leave them, and thanks again for watching.